In this video, I will show how to download Steam on PC and how to create an account. To download Steam on our PC, we need to come to this site first. This is the official site to download Steam, and I'll leave the link in the description. So now that you've clicked the website link in the video description, let's click Install Steam. We download the setup to install Steam, and let's open it. Click Yes. Click Next, Next, and Install. Ready, we installed Steam, and now we will click on Finish to open it. We'll start an update. It takes 3 to 10 minutes, so when it's done, I'll come back. After the update is finished, let's go to the part of creating an account. If you already have an account on Steam, you'll put the information, and you'll log into your account. But if you don't have an account, you'll click on Create a Free Account. Put your email on the first and second line. Confirm that you are not a robot, and confirm that you are over 13 years old. Let's click Continue. And now we need to open our email that we just used to create the account. To verify it, I'll check on my cell phone. In the next part, you will create the account that you will always use to log into your Steam account. So let's create a username and create a password. And now just click on Done. Ready, we created our Steam account. Now we can log into Steam. We are already inside Steam, and to download a game, let's click on Store. Let's search for the game in the search bar, and let's click on it. Let's go down the page to the bottom, and let's click on Play Game. Let's click Next. And finish. You can now track the download in the library. This was the video showing how to download Steam and how to create an account. Thanks for watching, and until next time.